Most people think mediation is only about settlement. But in high-conflict co-parenting, mediation can do something else. It can show you how the other side thinks, what they really want, what they refuse to compromise on, and what arguments they may be preparing to make later. That is why mediation can also function as a form of discovery. Not formal discovery, but strategic discovery. Because when people are pressed to discuss real solutions, they often reveal their priorities, their weak points, their inconsistencies, and sometimes their real agenda. That does not mean you go into mediation to play games. And it does not mean you say too much. It means you pay attention. What are they asking for? What are they avoiding? What facts do they keep returning to? What issues make them uncomfortable? And what does their proposed solution tell you about where they may be headed? Mediation can give you valuable insight, not just into settlement, but into strategy. So go in prepared. Stay calm. Listen carefully. Take notes. And do not measure success only by whether an agreement is reached. Sometimes, what you learn in mediation can help you prepare for everything that comes next. Prepare, protect, prevail.